This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so as part of Power BI session, so today we are going to discuss about how to install the softwares. Okay, so installation steps. Today we are going to discuss. Okay, so as part of installation steps, yesterday we started discussing on the same. So we need to first install SQL Server database. Okay, so we need to install first SQL Server database. After that, we need to install a tool called SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, so we need to install SQL Server Management Studio. Ideally, we will call this as a SSMS. Now, third one is we are going to install or we are going to dump the backup file of AdventureWorks DW2010. Okay, so this is the backup file. So after this, after everything is done, SQL Server database, then SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS, so then AdventureWorks. Finally, we are going to install Power BI desktop and any kind of latest versions. Okay, so this is what the flow. So SQL Server database is a SQL Server database. So then after that, SSMS is a tool to connect your SQL Server database. SQL Server Management Studio is a tool to connect your SQL Server database. So after that, whatever you are able to see, AdventureWorks DW 2017 or any kind of versions, .bak file. So AdventureWorks DW 2017 is a backup file which has been provided by Microsoft Team for practice purpose. So once you downloaded this the backup file, so we need to restore the backup file. We need to restore the backup file. So to the SQL Server management, how to restore everything we are going to see in today's session. Okay, so first what I'll try to do. Okay, can you? Okay, I'm making you as a host so that you can share my screen. Okay, so that you can share. Okay.
Sure, sure, sir.
Since all the softwares are installed in my machine, so I don't want to reinstall everything. So again, it is a kind of wasting. So instead of that, I can utilize your this time to install in your machine. So that will be really helpful for you. So making you as a presenter. Yes, Surya, I have given a presenter privileges. Could you please check now? Can you please share your screen? Yes, Surya, I'm able to see. I'm able to see, Surya. Hello.
I'm sorry, I was on mute. Yeah, I,
Fine,
I
fine.
I was just practicing dev for yesterday, so I have just installed a BI. So do I need to uninstall that?
No. You have okay. Can you show me whatever you installed?
This only this one, only BI tool. I mean, I was not
Okay.
aware that time, so I just
No,
installed
that's
it.
fine. That's fine. I mean, if you install, let it be. So the reason by directly accessing that, you cannot do anything. So you need to
Okay,
connect to the data source, right? See, you
okay,
need to
right,
connect to
right,
your installation step
right,
4 is done. Whatever we are
right,
discussing about step 4, it is done. So we need to complete our step 1, step 2, step 3. Okay.
right, right, sir.
Yeah. Just a second. I'm pinging you one link.
Sure.
Or else what I'll do, I'll try to share the document right away. Could you please, guys, share your email IDs so that I can share the installation right away?
Email ID, yeah. SURYA.
Ping me the email IDs.
Okay, Okay.
Okay, I'm sharing the details. Okay, Raguna.
Okay.
Quickly, I'm sharing the mail.
Sure.
Surya dot. What about yeah, Surya and Raguna. Shared the document. Could you please open
Okay.
it in your. Yeah, try to download that. Yeah, download.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Can you click on the first link? Yeah, can you click on the first? Not that one. Just yes, there is a option called Microsoft SQL Server installation. Since you have already installed PowerBIA,
Okay.
so
Okay.
trying to install SQL Server. Just scroll down, scroll down.
Yes.
Yeah, try to click first SQL Server. Yeah, that link. Yeah, hit that. I hope your connectivity is good, right?
Yeah, yeah, it is good.
Yeah, go to the downloads. See, scroll up, go to top.
No.
Yeah, go to downloads. Yeah, come little down. Here we have two things: developer version, developer thing, and you can install anything. You can basically go to developer and click on download. Yes. So then try to open, try to run the .exe file. Yeah, try to select the basic one, basic or custom anything, but go for basic. Yeah, try to accept. Click on accept. Yes, click on install. I think your Wi-Fi connection is perfect. It seems. It's quickly loading. It's quickly executing. Surya, I think you're talking on mute.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ideally, what we generally follow is like I will share my screen and I'll actually do it. But,
Okay.
since for the convenient, so the better convenient, I have just changed my plan, by taking only one machine so that it will be helpful for them.
Right, sir.
So today is going to be the complete installation class. So once this is done, so then from tomorrow onwards, we are directly going to work on the Power BI and database SQL Server.
Sure.
I have shared even for Raghunath also.
Okay, okay.
And anyways, no issues. Thank you. Actually, the SQL Server only it will take some time, but rest of the softwares it will not take much time.
Okay, sir. No problem.
We also use SQL Server because I think that is much better, much quicker than this process. Like if I'm not wrong, installation
Yes,
procedure. MySQL.
MySQL. No, no. Let it be SQL Server only.
Okay. Because I tried installing MySQL, what I felt was, I mean, it was much quicker than the this one, Microsoft SQL.
Yeah, it's very simple, but since we are going to use more kind of sample scenarios in SQL Server tables,
Okay.
so better we go for SQL Server because most of the project, Microsoft project, is having SQL Server. So let us
Sure,
just
sir.
familiar with the kind of SQL Server environment only. Okay. See,
Yeah,
as I told you, every database is same. Like I mean, whatever the database is, no matter it is a SQL Server or Oracle or MySQL, anything, all are databases which has been created by the core content called RDBMS concept. But the reason is almost there will be kind of most of the cases similarities are there, but there are some areas wherein we are going to find some kind of differences in terms of syntaxes. So better familiar with most of the syntaxes with SQL Server because since it is a product of Microsoft, Microsoft will always support people to use SQL Server only. Well, let us just get habituated with the SQL Server environment. Okay,
sure,
I'm
sir. Thank
not
you, sir.
saying I'm not saying that you can connect even MySQL, any of the database, and you can practice. That's not a problem. But I'm saying, see, in the interview, if they ask something about SQL Server, some questions and all, if you're not in a position to give a proper syntaxes and all, so then it is going to be a problem. So the more you familiar with the kind of environment, it will be useful for you. So that is the agenda. So what about you, Raghunath? Are you working? Surya Raghunath, are you guys working or
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay?
I'm working.
In which platform you're working?
I'm into IT sales.
IT sales. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So I think this is going to be your kind of added advantage for you, Surya. Definitely.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Because BI, anything related to BI, you can once you learn this, your focus, visualization will be different. I mean, towards the requirements and getting the projects. So that will definitely going to be added advantage. So in which company you
Right,
working,
sir.
Surya?
Sorry, sir.
Which company you're working?
Irvin.
Okay, Arvind.
Yeah.
Hyderabad location.
They have data modeling tools.
Yeah, I know. Erwin Data Modeling Tools. Yeah. But
Yeah.
I'm talking about which company you're working.
Irvin only, sir.
Oh, Erwin only. Okay. So
Yeah.
yeah, generally we used to download Erwin for data modeling perspective. Okay. So we are going to create a modeling in the Erwin tool. So it's a very good tool. It's a very good tool.
Yes, sir.
Is it in Hyderabad?
Yeah, Hyderabad.
Okay, great.
US based company.
Erwin,
They also
yeah,
have.
yeah, yeah. I know, like Erwin is, top performing tool, man, in terms of
Yeah,
modeling. See, we have lot of options in modeling while we are modeling. So we have lot of options when we compare to other tools. But
right,
since
sir.
some projects, people will prefer for freeways. So since Erwin is the paid version, that is the only reason people not for Erwin.
Huh.
Since in the market we have free tools wherein we can design our modeling, right?
Right, sir.
But Erwin is a very good tool. I mean, kind of polished and kind of, big customers will follow Erwin tool.
Yes, sir. They always come 1 to 4 between the rank.
Mm. Yeah, yeah. So I can say you have chosen a perfect technologies, man, because BI is it's like it's more important for you guys to understand. If you understand the core concepts of BI, then I think you will be the key resource in your company.
So there's a where do you work? I mean, I'm not sure whether I can ask you or not this question.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But company name, I mean, I'm not going to tell, but I was been there for Cognizant for almost 9 years. Then after that, 2.5 years for Value Labs. So now I'm working in a product-based company.
Okay.
I'm a product-based company. So almost
Right now I'm not
16
working.
plus.
I'm looking for an opportunity. My last employer was Tech Mahindra. I used to work as incident manager.
Uh-huh. Okay. So you're looking for a job.
Yeah, desperately now. It's very important now.
Hmm.
I quit due to, I mean, medical reasons. It's been almost 2 years now. By August, I'm going to complete 2 years.
That's fine, man. That's fine. Everyone will have some kind of issues. But anyway, once you learn this, so you can easily apply because the pay packages and the scope of your career will be different when you work on this kind of latest technologies. Okay.
But what I find is because I don't know, maybe I'm having a gap or whatever the reasons, I'm not getting interview calls. That's one thing making me
Right
sad.
now, COVID situation is right. So right now, because of the COVID situation, so still people are in dilemma whether they want to go for kind of web onboarding, like virtual onboarding or
Okay.
not. So obviously, we have to come up with a concept called virtual onboarding concept.
Yeah, I
There is no
understand.
other. By considering the current situation, they have to come up with a concept called virtual onboarding offer. Almost
Okay.
most of the companies have started recruiting the people through virtual onboarding. So I think in a coming days, we will see all kind of virtual onboarding process. So you are the Ramu sir student, right? Raghu?
Sorry, I am?
You're the person who has attended previous batch, right?
No, I have not attended previous batch. This is the first time attending.
Oh, okay, 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 okay. Ramu sir reference, right? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Actually, I actually not used to get this kind of installation process, but since people are getting so many doubts in their installation process, and they're coming back with so many questions. So to address all these questions, so better to have a kind of a real-time session on the installation also. That will be helpful for them actually. See, I will explain in my mission as a steps, and I will try to show everything, but ultimately you are the ones who are going to implement. So I thought I have changed, I have modified a little bit in my course, the way that I'm going to continue for the course, so in this way, so that it is going to be helpful for people as well, right?
Right, sir.
instead of they coming with so many questions, let it put in this way so that everyone will get clarity. If still they're having some problem with this kind of things, then there is a problem from their end with the admission. So then they may probably need to format and they have to follow the same again. It's almost done. So we are just initially why I have started this kind of installation processes. Definitely this will take a lot of time. So people will feel that we are wasting some time. People perceptions will be different. So they feel like we are wasting a lot of time, but they don't know we are going in a correct way of installation.
This is good way, sir.
Even in this session, so we are going to install some I think more things like see, we are going to work on Power BI cloud. We are going to work on gateways concept. We are going to work on Power BI report server. We are going to work on mobile reports. Everything I'm going to share. I'm going to give a control to any one of you so that I can directly install on your machines and I can see. See, everything is there in my machine. What is the use of again creating and removing creating? It's waste of time, right? Instead of that, I will take one of use systems and I can install. So in this, we are going to install Power BI cloud service. Then gateways we have to install on-premises gateways. Cloud gateways. Then on-premises report server we need to install. So many things we need to install. Okay. Yes. Just hold on, Surya. See. So successfully your SQL Server 2019 has installed. That means your SQL Server has been installed. Now go to the document. Go to the document. Go to the don't press anything here. Go to the document. Yeah, go to the document. And the second step is we are going to install SQL Server Management Tool. Okay. So try to click on that particular link. Second link. Just click and hold. Right. So once you click on this, you're able to see something like this. But don't click anything here. Again, go back to the SQL Server installation window. Go back to the SQL Server installation window. Yes. So this is the one way we are going to install SSML. Other way of installing is the moment you install SQL Server, that time it is giving install SSMS option. See, you're able to see install SSMS option. Surya. The third
Where,
option.
sir?
The third.
Okay.
Third option.
Yeah.
Click on install SSMS in the bottom here. Yes.
Okay.
Click on this.
Okay.
That means the moment when you're trying to install SQL Server, see, it is also putting it to the same page, right?
Okay.
So
Okay. Right.
these are the two. Either you can click on URL, or also once your installation is done, SQL Server installation is done, you can directly click on install SQL Server SSMS so that will redirect to this particular page. Okay. Now come back to
Okay.
here and download SQL Server Management Studio. Yeah. So this is a tool actually. Okay. So I think we have so many different tools are there, right? To connect SQL or SQL developer is there, PL SQL developer is there, SQL Server. So what generally those tools, even Toad is there, right? Toad. What we generally do, we are going to connect to the databases through these tools. Why we are going with the tools? Because tools has lot of advantages. Okay, tools has lot of advantages. So it's a kind of tool is a kind of a framework. but internal content, everything will be, it will depends on your SQL Server database. Okay, so like that, SQL Server Management Studio is a tool which has been provided by Microsoft to connect to your SQL Server database. Okay, probably you can, once installing this, once you download it, let it download. Yes, yeah, okay. Anyway, go back to the SQL Server window. Yeah, go back to SQL Server window. Yeah, see here, try to test the connection. Connect now, first option. See, you have installed. Yeah, try to click on the connect now. Yeah, see, successfully you're able to connect to SQL Server. That means after installing SQL Server, you need to check this whether you're able to connect or not. So after this, you have clicked on install SSMS software, so that it will route to some link, and successfully you have downloaded the SSMS. Now try to install the SSMS now. Try to install the tool. You click on install. Click on install. So what is your work? I mean, what is your work timings, Surya?
Night shift, sir.
Oh, complete night shift.
Yeah.
Oh, then it is really tough for you to do this.
Yeah. I want to change.
Yeah.
I want to come out from this sales actually.
Okay. Okay. Mhm. So once you install this tool, we are going to connect to the SQL Server database using this tool. So after connecting to the SQL Server database by using SQL Server Management tool, we are going to download the backup file which is given by Microsoft. That file name is AdventureWorks DW 2017. AdventureWorks DW 2017 is a sample backup file, or it's a kind of a sample database backup file which is given by Microsoft for practicing purpose. So what do you mean by sample database? See, database is a collection of tables, spaces, logical spaces, so many different things. Okay, so you can say database is a collection of different schemas. Okay, so like that. So in AdventureWorks database, you will be having some sample tables which has already been created by Microsoft for practicing purpose. See, designing reports, we have two things here. We can create our own tables and we can insert our own records and we can do kind of testing and designing everything. But since Microsoft has given a proper tables, in a kind of business terms, real-time tables, okay, they have designed a sample database called AdventureWorks. So by making use of that sample database environments, we are going to design our reports and practice purpose for Microsoft Power BI reporting. Yes, I think this needs to be restarted. Okay, don't click on restart. Okay, now go to the document again. Go to the document again, Surya. Yeah, go to the
Yes, sir.
document. Go scroll down. You'll be having a link for backup. Yeah, click on that particular link. Yeah, click on that link. Click on that link. So yes. So go back. I think something went wrong. Go back. Click on the link again. Yeah, click on the link again. Scroll little down. So you have OLTP downloads, BW downloads, data warehousing downloads. Okay, just scroll down till data warehousing downloads visible. So you have Surya, please go on. Yeah. See, we have OLTP downloads and we have data warehousing downloads. So OLTP stands for online transactional processing, wherein you'll be having a limited set of records. So OLTP will hold only day-to-day transactions data. So obviously we'll be having a limited space in OLTP. So don't consider OLTP downloads. Consider data warehousing downloads and try to click on AdventureWorks DW first one. AdventureWorks DW 2017 under data warehousing downloads. Right? Click on that. So it will try to download the backup file. Yeah, let this backup file to be downloaded into your machine. See, the difference between OLTP and data warehousing is, see, data warehousing is nothing but it's a OLAP system. So online analytical processing. Whereas OLTP stands for online transactional processing. So day-to-day transactions, live data, day-to-day transactions are going to be present in OLTP. So in OLAP, you will be having historical data. Okay, it can support to store historical data in terms of huge volume. Okay, now Surya, go to the downloads. Yeah, right click and go to right click and open in a folder. Yes. Okay. Wait. Try to copy this file. Right click and copy the backup file and paste in the C drive. Copy and go to the C drive, paste it in the C drive. Yeah. C drive. Yeah. Continue. Perfect. Now everything is ready. Now go to taskbar and try to search SQL Server. Start in the start button. Start now searching. Yeah, you have to search in the start saying SQL Server Management Tool. So yeah, SQL Server Management Tool. Or can you type management? Yeah, the first one. Your Yeah, the first one. Right click and put it in your right click, or you're able to see pin to start bar and pin to taskbar. Click on pin to taskbar and pin to start bar so that okay. Click on that particular. Yeah, yeah. Okay, it will be available in there. So just click on that. Click on that. Yeah. Better take this recording without fail, because this will help you to understand how to install all the softwares. Okay. So we have installed SQL Server database. We have installed SQL Server management tool. Also, we have downloaded the AdventureWorks backup. And now we are trying to connect your SQL Server database using a tool called SQL Server Management Studio. Initially, it will take some time to open SQL Server Management Studio, but once it is open, it will be fast. Yes, Surya. So successfully you have installed and opened SQL Server Management. See, try to see here. What is the server name? Okay, let it be your server name. Click on connect. Click on connect. So mostly your server name is going to be your PC name, your computer name, or your machine name. If you want to check, you can even check after that. Okay. Yes. Successfully you have connected. So go to databases, expand databases. Yes. So right now, do you have anything? No, right? So now, whatever the AdventureWorks backup file we have downloaded, so we are going to restore the database. See, what is AdventureWorks DW? It's a sample database. So which has been given by Microsoft. I'm going to restore this sample database to this particular environment. So right click on the databases. Right click on the databases. Yes, right click on the databases. Wait. Restore database, third option. Restore database option, third option. Yeah. So we are trying to restore the sample database which we have downloaded. Okay. So click on restored it. Yeah. Select device option, second option, device option. Yes. Go to the right side and try to select the backup file which is there in C drive, which is present in the C drive. No. Let it be. Click on add. Click on add. Yeah. Now go to C drive. Select C. Go scroll up. Scroll up. Yeah. Select C. Then right side you're able to see that. Yeah. Select that file and click OK. Then again click OK. Then again click OK. So this is a process of restoring the database. Yes, successfully you have restored it. Click OK. Perfect. So now just try to expand by clicking on the plus symbol. Go to the tables. See, table C. You are able to see these are all the tables. See, these are all the tables, sample tables which is given by Microsoft for practice purpose. Okay. Now click on the new query. Click on the new query. Yeah, new query. No. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Try to just select any one table and see whether your tables are getting the data. Select star from dim customer. Select star from. Try to write select star. Yeah. No. Write the code in the window, right side window. Select star from space, give space, star, space, from, space, DIMCU. Select the table. In the list you are able to see, right? Select any one of the table and execute. Select, yeah, double click on that. Yeah, execute. Click on execute button. You're able to see execute there, right? Yes. Done. Successfully, the installation process is over. So you're able to connect to SQL Server, to SQL Server Management Studio, and also you have ready your Power BI desktop also. Okay. So any questions, guys? Till now we discussed. Okay. Quickly. Anyway, you have opened Power BI, right? Can you open the Power BI desktop since you have already opened? So yeah, right. So since you have opened Power BI, since you have already opened, yeah, we'll try to connect to the. We'll try to import at least one table. Okay. So go get data. Go and click on get data. Get data. I'm trying to connect. See, yes, select SQL Server. SQL Server option because my source is SQL Server. Since I'm running out of time, I will explain completely tomorrow. But we will just try to check whether we are able to see server name. Go to SQL Server Management Studio again. Yeah. In the left side, you will be able to see plug symbol beside connection. There is a connect symbol. Connect is there, right? Just go down, little down. Yes, plug symbol. Yeah, the plug symbol not there. Down in the object explorer. Yeah, click on the plug symbol. Plug just left side. Left. Yeah, click on. So no. Yeah, that one. Click on that. Yeah, click on that. So this is the server name. You need to copy this server name. Copy. Right click and copy. Yeah, go to this and paste. Right. Simply click OK. So what it will try to do, it will try to connect to your SQL Server using Power BI desktop. So click connect. Click OK. Wait for some time. Yes. So see, you're able to connect SQL Server database. Also, you're able to see the AdventureWorks. Now try to click on AdventureWorks. Yeah, there. Expand that. Yeah, click on that. Select any one table. Say dim date or any one tables. Yeah. No. Click on the checkbox. Left hand side. No. Checkbox. You need to click on the checkbox. Go to the. Same table. You have a checkbox, right? You need to tick. You need to check the checkbox. Yeah.
Okay.
Click on load. Click on load. This is, how we are going to test whether we are able to install all the softwares or not, like which required to implement Power BI reporting. Now we are trying to connect to SQL Server and we are trying to import. We are trying to load one sample table to Power BI report desktop so that we can perform or we can design any kind of report here. So once you're able to download, so then that should be fine. So we'll wind up the session for today. So we'll continue tomorrow. Right, successfully you're able to see load the data. So if you want to see left hand side, you have a data grid. Left hand side, yeah, middle, yeah, data grid. Click on that. You'll be able to see the data for the imported table here. So select the table. Right side, select the table. Then customer, yeah, select the table. Yeah, that's it. Wait, it will come. Okay, select the table and go back to the data grid. Go to the data grid point. Just try to change data grid from say third one, data model. Yes, you're able to see. Go to again data grid. No problem. You just you need to restart that, but so that all the settings will be going to be applicable. So this is how the process to install your software for Power BI desktop. Okay. So successfully we have installed SQL Server Management Studio, SQL Server database. So then AdventureWorks database we have restored and we have installed Power BI desktop also. Okay. So to install, can you open the document? Can you open the document? Which are installation steps document. Yeah, go up. First step. Quickly go up and click on the first link. Click on the first link. Not that. Close this. Click on the step 1. Installation step. Yeah. So this is how you're going to install. Yeah, click on that. Or in the Google, try to search. Okay, I'll straight away give you the Google. Try to search Power BI desktop, so you'll be able to get that. Quickly search in the Google Power BI desktop. Down in, yeah, Power BI desktop. Power BI desktop. Yeah. Click on that first link, or click on the second link, which is there already. Downloads, right? Go back and click on the second link. Yeah, downloads. Yeah. Wait. Yes. So can you come little down? So go to downloads. Go to downloads in the top. So go to products. Okay. And or see all are okay. I'll straight away give the link. I'll straight away give the link.
So here we have an option called download.
You're able to see this option, right? So you're just going to click on Microsoft Power BI. Yeah, you can click and simply it is just a next process. You're going to click on next process to install Power BI desktop as well. Okay.
Yeah.
Any
Okay.
questions?
I downloaded it from. No,
Yeah,
sir.
you don't know it. Try to restart and check. Okay. Any questions, guys?
Yes.
Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Raghu, do you have any questions? Rupa, Raghu. Okay, if you
I
don't
have
have
a
anything,
question.
so
Like while we are downloading Power BI, they will ask for the official email ID, but I don't have any official email ID. How we can come across this
no,
problem?
you can give you can give Gmail ID. You can give Gmail ID. Okay, click on launch. Click on launch.
I tried, but I mean Gmail didn't accept. Anyways, I will try once again.
Okay, just try to follow the steps, like whatever the step that I have given, right? So can you open the steps quickly? try to follow the same steps. Okay, go to that particular link and select advanced download option, select the English language. So just try to follow whatever the steps that I have provided there. Okay.
Yes, sir. Right now
Okay
I'm still
guys,
using Mac. In the noon I will complete this procedure.
no problem, take your time. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's all for today. We'll meet tomorrow same time. Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye, sir. Have a great day.
Bye, sir. Bye.